Alright, on this video, I'm going to show you how to make discounts inside of Lemon Squeezy. I'll give you a little brief overview of what the discount page looks like. And then I'll go ahead and show you what the checkout process and kind of like the shopper's experience of them applying the discount. So when you go to your Lemon Squeezy dashboard, we want to go to the discounts page. So we'll go under the store toggle, go to discounts, and then you'll end up right on this page. And then this will show you it'll give you a little chart of your total redemptions over a period of time. Your total redemptions, it'll give you the new redemptions, and then how much money from the redemption amount. And then right here on the bottom, you could also see a list of all the discounts you have active, as drafts, or already expired. So these are like previously used ones, and some of them I just turned them into drafts, that way nobody can use them. These are just examples of what this looks like. That way you can keep track of this is how you keep track of all the discounts you have. So now we want to go ahead and create a discount. We're going to go up here to the top right to the circle, purple circle, and we're going to click new discount. Alright, so now this is where we'll configure the discount. First, we'll start off with the name. So let's just say, we'll just say summer sale discount. And it tells you right here, this will appear on your customer's invoice. So when they get the invoice, this will be showing up on their invoice. And then the code right here, you could auto generate new codes. You could just go with the code it already has right here. Or you could also make your own code. So let's just say I use my Amado discount, or we'll go ahead and say summer discount 2024, or whatever you like. If you don't want to create one yourself, just go ahead and click generate code, and that'll be the code you share with your customers. So the code your customers will enter during checkout will be this right here. And if you wanted to make one, it has to be in uppercase letters and numbers only. And now right here for the amount, we got to choose either a percentage of discount or a fixed amount. And a fixed amount just means it's going to be a specific dollar amount. So if you want to take $10 off, $20 off, maybe you want to take off $5, or even easier, the percentage discount. So for this example, we'll go with a percentage discount and say 50% off. Now for the next section, products. It says discount applies to specific products. You could select which products the discount applies to. And then also the discount can apply to all the products if you leave it unchecked. So let's say we want to give a discount on a very specific product. Let's say, for example, my content creator manager on Notion. So now this one item, or the code, the discount code will only apply to this one item right here. If I wanted to add a second item, a third item, I could just go ahead and check them, or just leave the ones checked that I want the discount to apply to. So for this example, it's just going to be this one right here. Now that the discount is applied to that product, the last thing we look at is settings. So on the settings, we could choose when the discount has a start date. So we could say maybe this will start today. It could start tomorrow. It could start at a specific time. You could also choose an expiration date. So maybe you want to tell your customers they only have 7 days to use the code, or 5 days, 2 days. They will have 30 days. It's up to you. And you could choose the date of when you want this to expire. It could be this month, it could be a few months from now, whenever you like. And then limit the number of redemptions. So this means you are willing to let customers use your discount codes, but maybe only 10 people total can get that discount, or maybe 100 people total. Or if you want, you could just leave it off and it's unlimited amount. And now the last one is discount applies every month. it says set the duration of the discount when applied to a subscription. So let's say if this was a subscription model product, you could say how long this discount applies. If it applies every month, every 2 months, every 3 months, or the discount applies forever. So since this is just a one-time purchase, we'll turn this off. And now we could click publish discount. So as that's made, it says discount saved. Go ahead and close this. Go ahead up here. You could click unpublish, duplicate, and delete. We'll just close this window. Did it not save? Discount saved. Close. So now, right here, summer sale discount. This is the code. It's active, the name of your product, and the amount you have discounted for that product. And later on, when people start redeeming those discounts, it'll show you right here the number of redemptions. Alright, so now let's say we want to share this product and we also want to share this discount code. So first, let's go ahead and go to our product page. And we're going to grab our link to that product. Alright, so now it's this first one right here. We'll go ahead and click the share button. So now we could go ahead and save the link for this one. So we'll send them straight to the checkout link, or you could send them to an overlay, which pretty much you apply this onto a website or a landing page. And this one will just be a link where it sends them straight to a web page. So we'll go ahead with the checkout link, click copy. And now let's say we want to send that on an email. We'll click up here to an email us getting started. And we'll give the broadcast a name, test broadcast. Now we'll put a subject right here, basically the subject line for the email. Free, get your discount code. And then you could add some preview text if you like. The sender, this is your email address. And now we could choose who we send this product out to. So obviously this is not going to be a lot of people. We'll just say to this one right here. And it shows two senders, two recipients. 2 people will get the email. Now we'll go to the next page. And this is the email inside of Lemon Squeezy, by the way. So we'll go ahead and say we write get your discount on Notion template here. So now we'll go ahead and add a button right here they could click. Go ahead and click button label, access template here. We'll add the link, save. So now they could click that. If you wanted to mess with it a little bit right here, edit the button. If you want to move it up, move it down, or delete it. And now lastly, we want to apply the discount code right here. So we're going to go back, close this. Now let's go back to the discounts. And we're going to copy this code right here. So we're going to copy the code to the discount. Go back to the email. Here goes the discount code here. Don't forget to add the code to get your discount. So you could make this look a little bit better or a lot better. This is just a very basic example of what this is going to look like. So let's get a preview of this. Preview mode. So now you can see what this looks like. Get your discount on my Notion template here. Access template. Here goes a discount code. Don't forget to add the code to your discount to get your discount. So now you got mobile view. And let's say we're ready to send it. We'll just go ahead and continue. It's going to go to the recipients 1. Here's your sender, your subject line, the preview. the content of your email, and you could go ahead and choose to send it now. All right, so now we sent the email. Now I'm gonna go to my email, my inbox, and go find that email. All right, so now that I got this email, basically this is what your customers will see. So it says here goes the discount code here. They're gonna have to copy this. Now they're gonna click the button, which sends them to the product page or to the checkout page. They could go ahead and enter their details, their card number, expiration. What you want them to do is come down here to discount code, apply the discount, and now it'll show the discount applied right here, discount code, and then 50% off, $6.50 off. And that's how your customers will get the discount on the product. My honest opinion, this is probably not the easiest way to give out discounted products, just because the fact the customer has to copy and paste this code, a lot of people might struggle with that little situation. So if they can't get the code into the discount code into the little frame right here, then you're probably going to lose some sales just because they can't get the code. But either way, this is how you make a discount code in Lemon Squeezy. Just try to word it as best as you can inside of your emails or wherever you share your links, and just kind of give them good instructions. That way they can apply those discount codes, and you can convert more of those customers into buyers.